analyze sensor data from a wind farm to optimize energy production? Watson's got you. How about predicting equipment failures before they happen using historical maintenance logs? Watson can do that too. Watson can also help you make sense of unstructured data like research papers, technical documents, and even social media feeds. This is about making smarter choices, faster, and with more confidence. Chapter 4. MATLAB, supercharged with AI. Now, for all you data scientists and numerical computing wizards, MATLAB needs no introduction. But even this powerhouse is getting a serious AI upgrade. We're talking about integrating AI algorithms directly into your MATLAB workflows, making it easier than ever to build, train, and deploy machine learning models. Imagine cleaning and pre-processing data, developing complex algorithms, and visualizing your results all within the familiar MATLAB environment. MATLAB with AI can automate complex simulations and modeling tasks, freeing you up to focus on the big picture. Need to optimize a control system for a robot? MATLAB can help you do that with unprecedented speed and accuracy. MATLAB with AI is about taking your analytical skills to the next level, giving you the tools to tackle the most challenging engineering problems of tomorrow. Chapter 5. SolidWorks, designing the future with AI. Finally, let's talk about SolidWorks, the go-to software for three-dimensional CAD design. But hold on, because with AI enhancements, SolidWorks is transforming into an even more powerful tool for engineers. We're talking about AI-powered design assistants that suggests optimal geometries, materials, and manufacturing processes based on your design goals. SolidWorks with AI can also simulate real-world conditions, helping you identify potential design flaws early in the development process. This means less prototyping, faster time to market, and ultimately, better products. And with AI-powered generative design capabilities, you can explore a wider range of design possibilities, pushing the boundaries of innovation. In the world of three-dimensional CAD design, SolidWorks with AI is a game-changer, giving engineers the tools to design the future today. So there you have it, the 5 AI tools that are about to change the game for engineers. From machine learning powerhouses like TensorFlow to AI-enhanced design software like AutoCAD and SolidWorks, the future is all about working smarter, not harder. These tools are already making waves, and by 2025, they'll be as essential to an engineer's toolkit as a calculator or a CAD program. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next one.